Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create flower bouquet TikTok trend. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and we have to search for the flower language effect or flower language folder. You can go to the search menu and search for this effect. Okay, and there will be some option for you guys and you can choose the effect that you want to apply, and I'm going to apply this one. Okay, then click on use this effect. Okay, and we're going to type in something with this flower keyboard, and I'm just going to type like this and click on OK, and then you are going to choose the ribbon. I'm going to select this one and click on OK. Then after that, you are going to change the background if you want guys. You just need to tap on it. And then I'm going to choose this black background. Okay, and after that, you just need to click on this check mark. And then the post will be uploaded to your TikTok. Okay, now the post is being uploaded. Okay, now it's done guys. And the flower bouquet has been created. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create flower bouquet TikTok trend. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.